Hey everyone, welcome to Appalachian Farmstead. So we're up here at the mill, and I've got slave labor this afternoon. My swamper,
The muscle.
the muscle.
Don't be laughing at me, people.
Oh, so anyways, we've got a 13-inch. Can you see that? No, you can't see squat diddly, can you? Can you see that? How about there? How about now? There, you got a 13-inch cherry log on here. So if you do 7/10 of that, that's a 9-inch cant, right? Roughly. So that's what we're shooting for, a 9-inch cant. That'll give me 2 4x4s. And I think it's 11 feet long, 10.5 feet long. So we're going to get the mill in here, and all this lumber is going to a customer's rabbit hutch. So let's get moving. Ready? Good. Hold on. Hang on. Please stand up a little bit. My fault.
You want to cut that off?
Yeah. Okay, hang on. Okay, go ahead. Ready? Lots of firewood. Back it up. Good. That's good. Mark? What?
Going. Keep going. Ah.
Right. Yeah, you were right.
Ah.
One more, I think. Yeah.
That's going to be a thick one.
That's it.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, there's some good content.
Whoa!
Oh, there's some good content. Do you have the camera on? When did you take those things down?
Well, I guess we're done milling for a little bit.
Oh. When did you put those log dogs down?
The last time when we got a square cant.
How much strap do you need?
I don't know. Can't lift up real high because of the roof.
Right. So can you put this like on the tooth?
We'll see when I get over there. I gotta get rid of this. That's it.
Okay, hang on.
A few moments later.
So what do
I don't know. We'll see what happens.
I'll see if I can hook it over here.
I don't think it's gonna make any difference. How much chain is down there? Oh. Just hook it and see what happens.
Do you want me to just hook it to this one? Well, I just don't.
Go ahead and hook it. As long as we can get it up there 3/4, be able to just flop it on.
Hold on. Let's do this.
There you go.
Might be a little sloppy.
The gears are turning now.
Go ahead. Oh, wait, let me move the cant hook.
Just make sure it doesn't destroy the mill.
Hold on, let me get rid of this. Watch the tire.
Don't get your fingers in between anything. I'm gonna back up.
Hold up.
Watch, that's gonna come off. Let me back up a little
Go
bit.
ahead. Oh! Okay. Hold on.
Gotta get that strap and stuff out of there.
Oh. My hell.
Hold on, I can just open the teeth up. Oh, there, that'll work. You ready?
Sure.
Going down, going down. Okay.
All right.
Okay?
Yeah, go ahead.
Woo! That took a while to flip that log.
Yeah, baby.
Oh,
At least I didn't cut the log dogs off.
well, that's true.
I didn't ruin a blade yet.
There you go.
This one can come back too. Oh, that one's bent. What happened to that one? Oh, the log. Never mind. All right, I need a drink of water. Water. I just sweated it all out. That deserves a subscribe and a comment.
Oh, you're probably going to get comments.
Bring them on.
Oh, that's hilarious. Your face was like, like, how did that happen?
I was like, no, why isn't that thing up?